welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the Finish 8 by Easter collab finale with my friend here on YouTube, Courtney K. So we are going to pretty much be showing you guys our progress, how far we made it in this project. It is officially ended, which makes me sad, but at the same time I'm kind of glad to be moving on to a new project and seeing what else I can finish up this year. So if you guys would like to see my progress as well as a link to Courtney's channel down in the description box below, just keep on watching. So this project was called 8 by Easter. I will be linking the previous video down below in the description box as well as up in the cards over here so that you can follow along with our progress. Anyway, we chose 8 words that are associated with Easter. This was not a religious project. This was just the tradition Easter, bunnies, chocolate, that kind of thing. So we chose 8 words and then chose products based on those 8 words. Each one of us chose different things, which I thought was really, really cool. And let's just get started with what I have here. Most of the stuff I actually hit goal on. There are a couple that I didn't, but I also have had about a month in this project where I didn't wear makeup at all. So I think if I had that chance to wear makeup throughout that time, I probably would have hit goal on everything. But I'm still very happy with what I've accomplished and I can't wait to show you. So the first word that we had chosen was bunny. And for that I had chosen a deluxe size sample of the Formula X nail color by Sephora. This was in the shade Dollface, and I did end up using about half. When I first started the project, it was completely full up to the brim. This was the first update. I did skip my second update because, like I said, I had not worn makeup at all and it would have been a redundant video, so forgive me, you guys. But I love this nail polish. It was really beautiful, beautiful color, and unfortunately, once it got down past this area here, it got too gloopy. It wouldn't dry, so I do have to call this done, even though it's technically not done, but I did use it until I couldn't anymore. Also, I've had a lot of questions with this particular makeup look lately. This was one of my Project Pan makeup looks for this project, so I have worn it in quite a bit of videos. If you guys would like to see a tutorial, this is pretty much my signature eye look, one that I do more often than others and very simple to do. So if you would like to see a tutorial, definitely pop a comment down below and let me know, and I would be more than happy to do that for you. So moving on, the next word we chose was spring, and for that I thought of like renewal, things coming back to life, that kind of aspect. So I chose my Burt's Bees Renewal Intensive Firming Serum. At the intro, we were right here where the mark is, and I actually finished this within the first update, so there was no update. Completely gone. I would not repurchase this. I didn't notice any firming or anything like that. If anything, it gave a little bit of hydration, but it was okay. It was a really natural product. It smelled really good, but other than just a little bit of hydration, I don't feel like it did anything else. So there is that. The next word we chose was flower, and I chose a perfume from Flower Beauty. This is in the scent Radiant, and when we started, I was in the perfect middle right here. The marks started to wear off, but the first update I was right here, and I have since completely finished this. This fragrance is pretty much an exact dupe for the Shania Twain fragrance, and I really, really like it. But I have 2 backups of it, so I'm not gonna miss it anytime soon. So there is another one out of my collection. The next word we chose was Easter basket, and I thought about Easter basket almost like a ritual. It's a ritual that we do for our children, etc., etc. So I chose the NYX Illuminator in the shade Ritualistic, and this is a powder highlighter, and my goal was to hit pan, and if you can see, there's just a itty bitty little bit of pan in there, but you know what? It's pan. It's gold. This is a really beautiful highlighter. It sits on the skin very nicely. It's more of like a white gold. Very, very pretty. I did stop using this once I hit pan to focus on other highlighters in my other projects, but I guarantee if I had kept up with this and using it, I probably would have a lot more pan than I do right now. So all in all, I'm very happy to have hit goal on yet another one of my products. 2 lip products, and when I first started this is the Rimmel Kate Moss in number 41. It's a beautiful pink. This was a shade I chose for the word pastel, and when we started the project I was all the way up at the top up here. This was the first update, and sadly I haven't really worn it that much since, so we are still pretty close to that update. I am wearing it on my lips today. It's beautiful. It's very comfortable, and I am not going to retire this or declutter it. I'm actually going to use this up completely because I do like it and I really want to see it empty. But unfortunately, I did not hit goal on that guy. For the word Easter egg, I think of like opalescent sheen when it comes to Easter eggs. So I chose my Bite Beauty Cream lip gloss in opal. This was brand new, unopened when I started and put it in this project. So although I didn't completely finish it, I let it rest for a bit today, and there's just this teensy little bit left right there, and it's very difficult to get out. But when we started, it was full, and here was our first update, and then in between. So we're way down here. In fact, you can kind of see the wand right through the packaging. So I would consider this hit goal. I am going to continue to finish it up. I really like this gloss. It's a beautiful gloss, and I was shocked that I was able to get through it. So that was for the word Easter egg. And the last two products were powder products, and they were both in a palette. The first one was in the Too Faced Power of Makeup by Nikki Tutorials palette. The word that I had chosen this product for was Jelly Bean, and I chose this shade up here called Sugar Coated, and my goal was to hit pan. This was a brand new shadow, and it literally looked like this, never even touched. So I'm pretty proud of the progress that I have made. I have hit pan, as you can see right here. It's just a really beautiful pale pink. This is actually what is all over my lid today, and I really like it. I'm not going to stop using it because I did hit pan. I found that I really enjoyed it. I didn't think I was going to enjoy it because this was just a shade that didn't call out to me, but I have learned to really love it. So I am really happy with my progress on that, and yet another goal reached. And the last one was kind of that funny story that, well, we all have seen in my videos. Originally, I had chosen for the word chocolate my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I tried to depot it. It was right here in this palette, and as you can see, it didn't want to depot. So instead of just saying, oh, well, too bad, it's done by default, no trial there, I actually moved on to a different Too Faced palette, and this was the Christmas in New York Chocolate Shop palette, and I started to use the Chocolate Soleil bronzer in here, which was brand new, had never even been swatched. So my goal was to hit pan, and I used it every day, and look at that. There it is. So very excited. Out of all of my products, I only didn't hit goal on 2 technically, and one of them is so close to hitting goal. This gloss will be gone within probably a week. Very excited. I thought this project was a lot of fun. Courtney is one of my really good friends in real life as well as on YouTube. If you guys haven't checked her out, definitely go check her out. I will leave her channel link down below. She's fantastic. She does a lot of project pans, hauls, declutters, things like that. And if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up as well, and definitely don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my project panning and / beauty videos. We do a lot of collabs here on my channel, so you might see some familiar faces in the future. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for sticking through with me and watching my project, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!